Yeah, alright, so this is a 3 minutes video, and we're going to be making the Netflix kind of logo in just 3 minutes. We're going to be using the Monstrat fonts as usual. You can use any other fonts that you like, but this one is somehow closer to what we're going to be doing. So let's write our Netflix. The fonts are too close to each other, so we are going to be changing the font properties. We all know the Netflix is red and not blue, so we'll be changing that later on. So for now, let's try and adjust the closure of the fonts by going to the font properties and separating it a bit from each other. It's too far. Let's take it closer again. So something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. Yeah, so we all know the only thing that makes the Netflix logo is just the way it appears, like the way it turns. You understand? So we're going to be using the budge front properties for that by going to the font of settings. Then so let's go to the board. Alright, so just go to the board settings, and then we are going to be reducing it a bit, yeah, to something like this. This is how the Netflix made their effects. So I think somewhere around this area should be, no, let's see, hit the OK button, and that's basically it. It's not hard to do at all.